Hello, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Cheraye. Welcome, and if you are returning, you are truly appreciated, and welcome back. Who's excited? She is. You guys, seriously, I cannot afford, nor do I need to do any more fragrance shopping. It's becoming not a bad addiction. It's always been an addiction, but it's getting worse, and I think you guys are contributing to that. All right, without further ado, let's get started. I have something super excited. So if you watch a couple of videos back, I told you guys about Baccarat 540. I told you that I wore it. I had a little story time on it, and I went back and got it. Look at this, look at this, look at this. I know the lights are bright, but look at this. It's so sexy. I had this ordered. I ordered this from the actual Maison Francis Kurkdjian Paris website internationally and had it sent over. Let me tell you a quick story time because I want to share why, because sharing is caring. We're going to get to that. That's the one that I'm really super excited about, you guys. I went online and ordered it there. First of all, before I ordered that, I ordered samples of a ton of fragrances that he has that I wanted to try. This is what it looks like. This is what they came as. And I ordered them from the website, and as I did that, I received them in the mail. I think it was like 14 euros, which equivalates to, I don't know, you guys, do the math. I'll put it on the screen, but it was like 14 euros. And so when I received it in the mail, it comes DHL. They actually sent me back in the email, here is your, what was it, like order number, tracking number, whatever like that. And they said, if you want to actually order a fragrance, we're gonna give you a discount code. So here's a number in case you want to order a fragrance. So of course I got it in the mail. I knew that I already loved the fragrance, but I wanted to try a couple other ones, which we'll go back into at another date and time. However, I went back online, went in to order it, and they gave me, I think it was like $25, $30. I'll put everything in the description box below for accuracy, off of the fragrance. So I got a super deal on this. Anytime you save money off a fragrance, it's a huge deal. So here's what I ordered. Looks like this came in this amazing, beautiful packaging. Sorry if you guys cannot see because the lights are bright. Hello, the sunlight is not our friend anymore. It comes down. So it comes in, they give you these cute little two, let me see if I could do this without dropping anything. Trying to give you real details so that you can do it if you want to. It comes with these two little cute envelopes. If you wanted to gift it to someone, it'll come with this envelope. You know she's extra, so she wrote herself a note. So let's just see what she said to herself. Just in case you want to do this for Christmas, it's a super cute gift idea, and it looks very fancy, darling. You know, and I just put, oh, look how cute what she wrote to herself. Just for you. If somebody wanted to keep it on the back as a keepsake, this is what the back looks like. So it's super cute. It says Paris on it. She loves anything that says Paris. I believe that's eventually where I'm going to end up living. So here's another envelope, and this envelope is, what is this? Let's go through the whole thing so you know what to expect in case you're doing it. This is one just telling you it's your receipt, and when you order, they give you 2 complimentary samples. So as you order, even when I ordered the samples, they offered me 2 complimentary samples. And then when I ordered the fragrance, they offered me 2 additional complimentary samples. So they give you this, and then they also send this here, which is a return form. So in case something didn't work out for you, or you didn't absolutely love it, you can return it, and all the information is here. They have one side written in, I'm gonna go ahead and say the French, okay? And then the other side is in English. So if you didn't like it, you can do it. I've already opened this and inspected the bottle and everything like that. Comes with an amazing, cute little seal on it there that just has the emblem there. I ordered 2 additional samples. Oh my God, one of these are my absolute favorite. This is gonna be my next purchase, my next buy. I already know. This is La Rose. I'm probably saying that wrong. La Rose, I don't know. I'll be doing a review on it soon. The other sample they gave me is this one. This is Grand Sawyer. Is that what it's called? Grand Sawyer. Yeah, oh my God. I went to, OMG. I went and sprayed this the other day at Neiman Marcus. It is amazing, and the longevity, not even real talk. Okay, so let's get into this. So then the fragrance comes out like this. They have it cutely packaged, lots of tissue paper. All the box is just completely emblemed with the actual emblem. Is it emblem, or is it, what is it called? Logo, I don't know, something like that, but it has the MKs all over the whole box. Cute, 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 cute. Box looks like this. We all seen the box before, but just in case you haven't, I want to let you know what you're going to receive. So this is the box. This is how the side looks. I love that. If you follow me on Snapchat, you know that chandeliers are my thing. So you open this up here, you guys. Right when I took it out, I was already able to smell it. That's how good it smelled. Oh my God, I'm super excited, super excited, super excited. Okay, calm down, Cheraye. Focus, breathe. Okay, so you open it up like this. Box is here, so you can keep that as a cute keepsake somewhere that you might want to store it. Comes with a little booklet, pretty sure that it's telling us about the fragrance, whatever, whatever, whatever. That's logo too, just in case some people like to keep those kind of things for the keepsake. The bottle is in here. And then what I thought was super cute is when you pull this out, if I can get out, this is like a mirror. Look at that. Okay, without blinding you, it's a mirror. And I put a lot of highlight on today, that's all I'm gonna say. Anyways, here is the bottle. Here is my bottle here. And on the other side, if you've never seen it, it just has the chandeliers in there and it's all red. Super, super, super cute. Right up my alley. I love this packaging. I've already tried this on my vanity and it looks amazing. So I'm super excited to be adding that to my collection. This is what I will be wearing tonight. Oh my god, and it's just so good. I have a full review. I'll put a clip of the video above in case you want to go back and look at it. But this is what I'm adding to my fall collection. Another one that I will be adding to my fall collection, you guys, I did a fragrance video a couple of weeks ago and I was sharing with you that Coco Noir is my absolute favorite all-time date night scent. Probably it's gonna have some competition with this one now that we've added, but I actually ordered the body crops, the body lotion, because I love layering. It's a really good thing to do to get your fragrance to last all day. And I just love, you know, I'm foo-foo la-la, I'm very fancy girl like that. I love the body crops, the body oils, the hair mist, the hair perfume. She's here for all of it. I love to just smell really, really good. And if you start at the base and then you spray up, it holds you all day. So I did order this. I ordered this from Chanel Beauty online. I love shopping there. I probably order there like every week if they have something new that I'm interested in. So I had been waiting to get this. So I will be adding this to my collection as well. I already have the fragrance. I don't want the hair mist. I think they have a body gel. Not interested in that. There is a new fragrance that I stumbled upon. If you watch a video back, she's just doing videos. Hello, have you been on the channel? Wait, wait, wait. Stop a minute. Hold up. I forgot to ask a question. Have you subscribed to the channel? If you like the vibe here, you guys, which I hope you do if you're still watching, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. I'd love to have you join the team, the family, whatever it is, my channel. Hello. We do fragrance over here. We do fashion. We do beauty. We do luxury. We do lifestyle. We have a good time over here. We don't take ourselves too serious. It's fragrance. It's fun. Life is short. Do what makes you happy. Anyway, so if you have not hit the subscribe button yet and you like it, hit the subscribe button. If you're new or if you've been watching the channel and you don't think or know if you're subscribed, check down, look down there below. If it's red, like right there, then you're not subscribed. So you want to click that button, like click it right there and make sure you turn it gray. Okay, back to the fragrance. Another one that I picked up, if you watch a few weeks back, you guys, is Bottega Veneta. I give a complete in-depth detail about that. I'm adding this to my fall fragrance, any kind of fragrance. Oh my god, that's too much fragrance on the same hair. Let's just spray it. This right here is so uber sexy, so good, so boss, so elegant, so sophisticated, so just everything a boss, sophisticated, elegant, classy, luxurious lady would embody. You know what I mean? This one is, like I said in that particular video, she came to play no games. This is just very creamy. It's done in the most luxurious, eloquent. It's done in the most luxurious, eloquent way, and it just says something. This is a fragrance that's going to talk for you before you even open your mouth or before you even get fully in the door. Once you come in and they're walking behind you or beside you, they're already going to smell and know what type of woman you are, what type of vibes you're giving off. It's just all that in a bag of, not chips, money, because it smells like money to me. I just think like, oh yeah, she's got it together. Full detailed review, I'll pop a clip in here in case you want to watch it, but I am adding this. Another one, you guys, that I stumbled upon. Oh my god, wait, let's go here. Hello. She went to Gucci. Finally, a couple of months back, I did a fragrance of the new fragrances that they released that came out for fall. I believe it was like right out of summer, and one was by Gucci. This is Gucci Memorie or Gucci Memorie. I mean, it's Gucci. I love the pink inside of the box. If you are not a fan of unisex fragrance, this is not for you. This is one that I'm gonna say, please do not go out and blind buy. Do not blind order this online. Just don't. This is all kinds of what in the world, okay? Seriously. When I first initially sprayed this, I sprayed it and I was just like, but I liked it. I was talking to the sales associate in the department store, and she goes, I don't know how this is gonna do here, like, you know, in the city that I live in. She's like, I don't know how this is gonna do here because it's just a lot. And I go, it is a lot. You're definitely gonna have to know, you know, what it is, if you like it. It's a memory fragrance, and I will say what they were trying to convey or capture with this fragrance, they actually did achieve, because the minute that I sprayed it and I smelled it upon initial spray, it took me somewhere. I was like, oh my God, it smelled familiar. It did bring up like a memory. It did transport me to a time and place that I had been. I have felt this place before. I had smelled this place before. It smelled very familiar. I don't know what it is about this fragrance, but it does. It smells good on my husband. I sprayed it on him as well. Let's just go ahead and spray it. I'm gonna spray it on this envelope here. Just, oh my gosh. See, but it's good. You gotta try it. I'm gonna say this. I'm gonna come back after wearing it and I'll do a more in-depth review, but this is just like not really a first impression because I bought it off of my first impression because I liked it. I'm gonna say don't blind order it, but this is definitely worth the whiff. It's definitely worth the whiff. It is different. It's not gonna be for everybody. It's gonna be very polarizing. It's one of those, either you love it or you don't. There is no middle ground. I'm gonna say that right up front. There is no middle ground. Either you love it or you don't. I like it. I really do. I think it's a great fragrance, and it's perfect for this time of season. Cold weather, like I said, man can wear it, woman can wear it. So if you're looking for something to get for the holidays and you're gifting it to someone, or you want to buy something so your husband is for him but you really want to use it too, that's a great way to go too. I mean, the more the merrier. Okay, and then you guys, look at this. Ta-da! This is Bond 9, and this is Bond 9 West New York, Bond 9 West New York, Broadway. And I got this, I was actually at, you know how I'm always telling you guys that I'm always looking for great buys and stumble upon, because you just never know where you'll stumble upon and find a great fragrance at. And I found this at was it TJ Maxx or Nordstrom's Rack? I found this at TJ Maxx. It originally retailed for like $200 and something. I got it for half the price. Let's just say that, half the price. And it's the full bottle, and it smells amazing. I have a couple of Bond 9s. This one is this one here. Looks like this. Full, huge bottle. Everything there. But this is what the bottle looks like. It's simply gorgeous. I will come back in full depth detail and give a complete review. Let me wear it for a while. I did an initial spray and I knew that I liked it. I had sprayed this and smelled this a couple of, I don't know, years ago. This is not new. It's been out forever. And I was just happy to find it at a really good deal. Oh my God, it's so powdery. It's so good. It's light. It's more on the lighter note. It's not very heavy, but it is very long lasting. So I will be adding this to my fragrance, my new little fragrance fall collection as well. Sometime people were asking me what type of fragrances do you sleep in, so I'm gonna do like a bedtime fragrance, but this is something like this that I would sleep in. I mean, I would wear this out too. I would wear this to brunch. I would probably wear this anywhere. It's not a special occasion, but I do like it. It is powdery, it is vanilla, it is, you know, one of those scents that is like, you know, it can just go any occasion to me. It's any occasion. I think this is a unisex fragrance. I think my husband can wear this as well. It's not too powdery, like a girly kind of powdery. The powder is just definitely there, but it is good. I do like that. Another thing, you guys, holidays are coming, so it's nice to try some of the fragrances out before you actually purchase them. A lot of times, you guys, I try fragrances out. I do samples. If I, like I said, if I cannot go into a store and get a sample, I will go online and order a sample, things like that. People do say that, like I said, you can buy fragrances from Fragnetica or Poshmark or eBay. Those are just a few places that I heard that you can purchase them. I'm an experienced person, so I really do love going into the actual stores or the boutiques to purchase them. Sometimes I will order online if it's a better deal or if they're gonna offer something more, but I love building relationships, so I do it that way. I don't always buy full bottles because to me, I have so many fragrances in my collection, it just doesn't make sense. I'm never in a lifetime gonna use them all. So I don't mind buying partials, getting decants, getting the smallest size that they have, because I just want it in my collection for that time that I need it. All fragrances to me are memories. They invoke something, they do something to us. They're very special, they're very, just what you put with them. Like this particular one that I picked up at Gucci, when I first smelled it, I smelled it here, you know, in my mall here in my hometown. When I actually purchased it, I purchased it in Gucci on Rodale, and I was with my husband and he sprayed it and I sprayed it, and we wore it all day and we were thinking, we're like, yeah, that's good, that's good. He liked it, I liked it. So it warrants a memory, and it's already going down in my collection. He's like, I'm gonna wear it first. And so it's just that, like, fragrance is more than just putting on a fragrance to me. Like I said, I use it as an accessory. It dresses up any outfit to me. I choose the fragrance according to how I feel, where I'm going, what I'm doing, everything like that. So I know this video was long, you know, she likes to talk. However, I always want to share with you guys what's going on. If I can find a deal for you, I want to share that with you. So if you're interested in that Mason Francis Kurkdjian, check online, check on the international part at the bottom. They're going to have one that says France, one that's going to say USA, and one that's going to say international. You want to check on international. If you order a sample, like I said, you will get a discount code. I'm going to be doing giveaways through the end of the year because I believe it is a blessing to be able to give, and it's also a blessing to be able to receive. So that means you can send me gifts too. No, I'm joking. No, but I'm serious. So no, I'm joking. Until next time, guys, it's been real. You know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.